Previous lecture we had learned types of novel. Section number 4.1. आज आपण या टाइप्स ऑफ नॉवेल्स मधला उरलेला भाग बघणार आहोत. नाउ लेट अस सी रिमेनिंग टाइप्स ऑफ नॉवेल. Autobiographical novel. So what is autobiographical novel? Autobiography is a type of biography which tells a life story of its author. Autobiographical novel is a form of novel using autofiction techniques or the merging of autobiographical and fictive elements. The autobiographical novel is also based on the life of the author. However, the author changes their places and names of characters, or even may changes or avoid certain details of his life. Autobiographical novel is related to autobiography of character as well as novelist. For example, David Copperfield novel. Next type of novel is allegorical novel. It is very interesting type of novel. Symbological meaning, more than one meaning is available in allegorical novel. An allegory is a story that bears more than one level of meaning. The surface meaning of such novel is different from the symbolic meaning. Means there are two type of meaning. One is surface meaning and other is symbolic meaning. The symbolic meaning of an allegory may be political, religious, historical, philosophical, or sometimes educational also. Then next type of novel is utopian novel. Utopia is an imaginary community or society possessing the ideal qualities. It is a common literary theme, especially in science fiction or speculative fiction. Students, utopian fiction is a style of fiction that takes place in a idealized world. The author of a utopian novel sets their narrative in a world are free from conflict, complaining storytelling, a well-developed main character, a problems that must be solved. The difference is that utopian novels are often set in a perfect society or ideal community. Means या युटोपियन प्रकाराच्या नॉवेलमध्ये सर्वच गोष्टी या चांगल्या झालेल्या दाखवल्या जातात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल लुकिंग बॅकवर्ड, गिवर, these are some novels. Psychological novel. Psychological novel is the work of fiction that treats the internal life of protagonist or even the other characters as much as the external factors. Means in this type of novel, the novelist shows the internal life of protagonist or others. Psychological novel work of fiction in which thoughts, feelings and motivations of the characters are of equal or greater interest than is the external action of the narrative. It also shows inner life of characters. Example of psychological novels are Lord Jim, Mr. Chip, etc. Stream of consciousness novel. The term stream of consciousness first came about in 1890 when the philosopher and the psychologist William James used it in his book the principle of psychology. He used it to describe the natural flow of thoughts, that even while the different parts are not necessarily connected, the brain does not distinguish one thought as strictly independent from the next. Virginia Woolf is a very famous novelist, and she writes many novels which depends upon stream of consciousness novel. Kids growth of mind, spirit, character, childhood to adulthood, education. Bildungsroman novel, it is a very special kind of novel. It focuses on the psychological and moral growth of its main character. It is a story of the growing of a sensitive person who looks for answers to his questions through different experiences. Students, science fiction is a very famous type of novel in today. Is a genre of speculative fiction dealing with imaginative concepts such as science, technology, space travel, time travel, parallel universes, etc. etc. Science fiction often explores the potential consequence of scientific and other innovations. Frankenstein by Mary Shelley 1823 is considered the first novel based on science and technology. The genre flourished in the second half of the 19th century. Time travel, alien, and students, in this science fiction novel, there are many pictures also.